YouTube just released a new monetization policies and it's going to take place from July 15th. And my greatest fear about this is because it's going to affect a whole lot of channels, most of our viral videos, those who are not aware of these policies before that 15th July. I would advise you, as you are getting this video, please do wait to share to reach others. Please, I'm begging you. Let's not work in vain. And this is actually going to point so hard at those channels that does these following things I will mention here: AI users, small channels, small YouTubers, and faceless content. Both new beginners, nobody is excluding here. Be worried if you are into posting reaction videos, compilation videos, and anything that strictly does not belong to you, that is not your own original content. YouTube might visit your channel from July 15th, demonetizing your channel if your channel is monetized, or not letting your channel to be approved for monetization if you have met the criteria needed for monetization. This is very, very serious, guys. I will advise you to take actions and fix these particular things that might get your channel being deleted or getting demonetized or not getting monetized again. By fixing these particular things I will be telling you in this video, is going to make your channel to be free and safe from this monetization policy that will be taking place soon. So guys, I would advise you don't over worry yourself, because I will be breaking down in details what this monetization policy update is all about, how to avoid it, and what you should do before that July 15th. So kind of contents you are doing that could be affected from this new monetization updates. And I'm also going to tell you on how to protect and guide your channel before this hit of new monetization policy takes place. Starting from July 15, 2025, YouTube will be releasing a new monetization policy system. This in return simply means that YouTube is going to be very, very strict and over serious over every YouTuber in this space. Now pay attention. These are the list of contents that is going to be highly at risk from July 15th. Number 1 is reaction videos with minimum commentaries, like indie copy and paste. You will get a video, you not react on it very well, you will just post it like that. It is going to hit you hard from July 15th. Those that reuse people's content without adding a very good value to it. And secondly, those are those Folktales content. It is going to hit hard on you if you don't take these corrections that I will be telling you here today. Number 1 is reaction videos with minimum commentaries. You are reacting to video without impacting values, without giving your own original voice, without giving your own original impact in the video. It's going to hit hard on you from 15th July. And another thing is those that into Folktales content, like you automatically allows AI to generate your content for you from the beginning to the end. Like you have no original value into that particular content. All you do is just get ChatGPT to generate content from you, the script. From the script, you go straight to, you just go to other AI generating platform and generate the template, like the footage, and at the same time use their own automatic voice. My dear, is going to hit hard on you. You'll be getting bonus of what to do instead of doing this particular thing you are doing, so that it will not hit hard on you by the end of this video. Then the number 2 in my list is video generated content. Like automatically you allow ChatGPT to create your script for you without adding any values. Both the descriptions, you will see some people, the description of Ada is also the description of Eze. They will just go and copy and paste because they are getting it from the same source. Both the scripts totally, you will be seeing almost the same thing this particular person is saying, because you are getting it from the same source. It did not add your own values. Please wait for what you need to avoid. Or if you are actually doing copy and paste, total copy and paste from your fellow YouTubers here, without adding your own original values, without making people to understand a different thing, what they understood from this particular person, my dear, you are highly at risk of losing your monetization, because if they find you guilty, they are going to demonetize your channel. And at the same time, if you are not monetized yet, my dear, have at the back of your mind that you can't be able to monetize if you are found guilty. So here is the particular things you need to do in order to get your channel saved, in order not to get your channel getting demonetized from July 15th. Now, starting from origin, we all know that YouTube loves originality. They love when you're imparting values to people. They love value. They love your effort. So they want you to put in the work and show them that yes, this is actually what you have given out to people for them to impact on it. It's not really that they are banning faceless contents. They just want you to add your own originality. Like if you are creating content from ChatGPT, try as much as possible when the script is out. Try as much as possible and create with your own understanding. Add values to that particular thing. They are trying to guide you what to do. They did not say you should copy everything verbatim. You need to impart more on that particular content that AI had generated for you. That is the right way to use ChatGPT. You don't just copy and paste everything from ChatGPT, because if you are doing this, they are going to see you as someone who is doing what we call reuse content, because as you are using this, other people are also using it. You get? So you need to make your own to be original, make it to be different from other people, regardless that you are getting it from the same source. Secondly, for those of you that always make use of someone's description and title, when you see a particular video that is going viral, you will be like, wow, this particular video is going viral. You will just go and copy everything the way the person copied, even where you put comma and the full stop. You go and copy it and put on your own. My dear, I would advise you to please stop doing that, because if you are doing this, they are going to hit you hard from July 15th. Alright, for those who are into folktale storytelling or you are into folktale content, I want to advise you on what to do so that you don't get your channel demonetized. The appropriate way how to do this so that YouTube will not enforce their new policies on your channel is by doing what? When you get your template, which is your footage, okay, try as much as possible to use your own original voice to impute into that particular avatar, okay? Don't just come and start making use of their automated voice notes. No, it is not good. And at the same time, when you get your content from ChatGPT, try as much as possible to edit. Don't just copy everything verbatim and put into that particular folktale. By the time you take this correction I'm telling you today, don't worry yourself. Your content is going to be saved and your channel will not be demonetized. And secondly, please always make use of different templates. Don't just use the same template. It is advised that you use different templates creating your folktale stories or your folktales content. So guys, in general, like I told you guys not to panic. So in general, YouTube just want us to bring out our own originality, add values to whatever thing you are doing, impart your viewers from that particular content. In as much as you are into your own original content and you are actually adding values to those contents you are making out there is no way your videos or your channel is going to be demonetized or be deleted from July 15, 2025. So my dear, do not panic. So by watching this video to this length, please tag yourself lucky and take actions. All this that I just say here, go and fix it. If there's those of your videos that have this kind of descriptions or titles that is almost the same thing with everybody, please go ahead now and readjust, edit it and put it a different title and description that will still be ranking the content well. Okay, so go ahead now and fix it as soon as possible. So let's just do our own part and leave the rest for God. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.